So, you're apologizing?
Yes. I'm sorry.
Okay, I don't forgive you.
Herb, I said I'm sorry.
Yeah, and I do not forgive you.
Alright, this is a fake friend test video. Send this to someone that you think that they are not watching your TikToks, but also write haha when you send the video. If they reply with haha 2 or something, that means that they even watched the TikTok. They just right away said that. But if they reply with this emoji, that means they watched the video fully.
Heart if you want to become friends. Put a purple heart if we're already friends. Put a pink heart if you have a crush on me, which I doubt. Put a black heart if you want me to die.
Nobody asked for your opinion. Wee-hee!